Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log out of Vercel on the web dashboard. Let's get straight into it. First, locate your username in the left sidebar of the Vercel dashboard. Your username, or account name, should be visible in the bottom left corner of that sidebar. Once you've spotted it, you're ready for the next step. Now click directly on your username in that bottom left corner. When you do, a submenu will appear with several account options. In that submenu, look for the logout option and click on it. As soon as you click, Vercel will sign you out and redirect you to the login page. That's how you know the logout was successful. A couple of quick tips. Once you're logged out, the session won't resume automatically. To log back in, visit vercel.com/login and sign in using your preferred method. Google, GitHub, Apple, Passkey, or email all work. Also worth noting, if you use Vercel CLI, you can log out from the command line with Vercel logout instead of using the web dashboard. And that's how to log out of Vercel. Thanks for watching.